Boundless Immigration Review, my honest user experience with this visa help platform. Navigating US immigration can be complex, and Boundless promises simplified visa and green card applications. I tested their platform and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, thinking immigration help platforms replace lawyers. The surprising truth is Boundless offers guided support, step-by-step instructions, and document review while keeping costs far lower than traditional attorneys. Getting started is easy. I created an account, entered personal information, and selected the application type. The platform guides you through forms with explanations, prompts, and error checks, reducing mistakes that could delay processing. Boundless also offers professional review options. A licensed immigration attorney reviews your application before submission, providing peace of mind without paying full legal fees. Communication is transparent and updates are frequent, so you always know your application status. Pricing is straightforward, with a flat fee plus filing cost. This is often more affordable than hiring an attorney for the same services. Customer support is responsive, helping with clarifications on documents or process questions. The only limitation is that complex immigration cases may still require direct attorney intervention. However, for straightforward family-based or employment-based applications, Boundless is highly effective. In conclusion, Boundless Immigration is a reliable, cost-effective platform for guided visa and green card applications. It reduces errors, saves money, and provides expert review, making it a solid choice for those navigating US immigration processes.